Are you bored inside your house and you have nothing to do? Well, I have a suggestion about this. Hey guys, it's me, ILVA Crafts, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be awesome because I'm going to show you 3 drawing ideas to do when you are bored. These drawing ideas are very fun and quick to make, so I highly recommend them. I hope that these ideas will inspire you to create more drawings, so at the end you will have more beautiful artworks. I also have a playlist with drawing ideas, so if you want to see that, check out this playlist right here. It will also be linked in the description box below. If you're excited for today's video, make sure to subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you will be notified every time I post a new video, and also give this video a big thumbs up. In this channel I make lots of fun videos including crafts, vlogs, new episodes and drawing tutorials like this one. Don't forget to follow me at my Instagram at ilva.crafts and send me there some of your creations, because in the next video they will be part of it. You can send anything that you want. It could be a craft, a drawing or other creations. All the drawing ideas that I'm going to do today are going to be posted on my Instagram. Also, go ahead and check my community tab because I post there every Friday and Tuesday by giving you a hint about the video that is coming next. If you're ready, let's get started. For the first idea, I thought that you should create your own monster in a very easy way using your name. This monster will turn out very cute at the end, so let's get started and show the materials. All we need for this creation is a piece of paper, scissors, a pencil, an eraser, and some colored markers. Now let's get started. First of all, fold your paper in half. Make sure that it's folded perfectly. Next, using your pencil, draw your name. Make sure that the letters are close to each other. Now that we are done with the pencil, all we have to do is to cut the letters using the scissors. Now open the small paper and you have a small monster. Mine turned out really cute and I just love the shape of it. I'm going to use a marker to give it a face and some clothes. Now I'm going to use some colored markers to color it up. And for her cheeks and ears, I'm going to use pink. Her eyes are going to be green because I have green eyes. For the clothes, I use a bunch of different colors like blue, orange, purple, pink, and green. For her little hair on the top, I went for brown because my hair are brown too. For the skin, I went for a very natural color, which is yellow. I just love how this monster turned out. It looks so cute and small, and it's definitely personalized by me because I'm kinda looking as her, I guess. I can't wait to see your creations that you are going to send me on my Instagram. I wasn't expecting that my name will turn out like this. I don't know, I'm just so happy with the results and I highly recommend this activity if you're bored. Now let's move on with the second drawing idea. Basically, you have to draw something that you see. Maybe your house or your garden or flowers. I don't know, but today I decided to draw myself, so go ahead and do your portrait. First of all, I'm starting by sketching my portrait using a pencil. Make sure that the drawing is looking like you. Don't forget to check out this playlist right here if you want to see my favorite collections. I'm trying to use as many details as I can so the drawing will look more like myself. Now that I'm done with the pencil, I'm going to use a black marker to do the outlines. This will take a long time, but make sure that you are doing them correctly. And be careful, because if you do mistakes, then there's no turning back. Okay, it's looking all clean now, and all I have to do is to color it up. I'm going to use a bunch of different colors, especially my favorite ones. So let's get started. For her eyes, I decided to use both green and brown because sometimes my eyes look like green and then sometimes they look like brown. I don't know. For her lips, I decided to use a natural color like pink and then going on top with a darker shade. For the top, I'm using orange because orange is my favorite color and I guess it will look better. Obviously, for my hair, I'm using brown because they're kind of dark brown, but I only have this shade of brown, so that's what I'm going to use. I also decided to go for some accessories like clips and a necklace. So for the necklace, I used gray, and for the clips, I used a red. Now I'm going to do her skin, and for the skin I decided to go for this natural shade because I think that it matches my skin more. To finish it up, I'm just going to add some blush at her cheeks. And I'm done. Here is myself. I think that it looks very cute. It took a long time, but at the end, I'm so happy with the results. I highly recommend it. It's very fun and cute to make, so here you go. Now let's move on with the third and the final drawing idea. So this idea is very quick and simple to make, so I highly recommend it. If you want, you can use only the marker or the pencil and then the marker on top. If you want, you can check out this playlist right here if you want to see some fashion inspiration videos. So I started off by doing a star shape and then went on top of it with a black marker. Then this is very simple, just be creative and fill your shape with a bunch of doodles. Like in my star, I just added like the YouTube, pencils, Minecraft, diamonds, music notes, and triangles, and a lot of other shapes and cute doodles. So just go ahead and fill it up with your favorite things. You can also go for another shape, maybe not a star, maybe a triangle or a circle. Just be free to create it the way that you like. I'm finished and I'm just really happy with the results. It's my favorite shape, which is the star shape, and I filled it with all my favorite stuff. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope that I inspired you to do some drawings while you're bored at your house. Just let me know in the comments down below which one of the drawing ideas was your favorite. This is the end of today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more future videos. I have anything else to say, just bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, craft!